Hi, Russ here at Makerspace with a quick orientation to our dust collection system here. So this is the main power switch. When you are using the dust collection system, it's not one that gets powered on and off very in rapid succession. You can turn it on, leave it running, and then power it down when you're done working in the shop. You don't want to power it up and power it down too quickly, too much load on the motor. So first thing you want to do is you want to look around the shop and go around to the blast gates on our dust collection system. Make sure that they're all closed. This is how they open. Unscrew, close like that. So make sure they're all closed on the tools that you're not going to use. Next thing you're going to check is you're going to check underneath our cyclone here. We have our collection bin here. You want to check the level on this bin here. And it's much easier to empty if these white barrels only get about half full. So this, when the system is off, you can lift it and look in the bin and see what the level's at. Very important to check that level. If the dust level gets too high, then this suction will end up sending particles into our fine particulate filters. These are very expensive filters, so we don't want that to happen. So all you need to do, once you've done those checks, then you're free to start up the system, and it's just the top button is the on, bottom button's the off. Once you're done your session, come back and have a check as a courtesy to the next member on how much level, if you shut down the system, how much is left in there. Our system right now is that we are transferring from the white bins into these black bins. You lift these, and we're lining these with plastic and dumping into here. And again, much easier to dump into these if that white bin is only half full. Once it's in these rolling bins, these can get rolled outside if they're full and into the trailer that's out by the front door. And there's empty bins in the trailer that then can come in and be stored here.